Alright, so we have the sarracenia. So what I'm going to do is, I think I'm actually going to like turn it towards this side and sort of like vertically chop it like that, and let's break it open. I think we did reach an insect. Oh. Looks like a dead spider to me. Let's continue. This picture actually hasn't ate much. There's some dead flies. Lots of dead fungus glands. Oh, I don't even know what is this. This is like so like digested. You know, like husks of exoskeleton. Oh, doesn't look appetizing. That looks like an ant to me. Let's see if we can dig slightly deeper. I think. Oh, this is like pile of mush. All dead insect. So from the top, so it goes down and narrower. This is sort of what a lot of picture looks like. And I'll sort of do like a cross section for you. Looks like that. Okay, let's get into the Nepenthes. Get those aside. I'll sort of give it a split from the top. Oh, just dump some water out. It's okay. So I sort of just like that. Just like that. Went down pretty easy. And let's get down to the bottom. And there's actually nothing inside. This is actually a fairly new picture, so what does it smell like? Oh, smells like, kind of reminds me of aloe vera. Looks pretty cool. Is it like, oh, it's more like dense than water. And you can actually see the sort of like the digestive glands. Like you can see those tiny little like shiny, you see those little things. And yeah, also there's the peristome, and so just opened up the belly. Here's the cap with the spur. Let me just sort of like give you a nice peristome look. The Nepenthes is sometimes might have a slightly more complicated picture structure than like sarracenia. Yeah, here's the peristome, and here's the rest of the body. I'll also just give you another cut, and it may look like this. It's actually quite slippery, the texture, and it's connected to the leaf. Or I can just break it up. We can check out the leaf as well. Let me see the veins. Well, I can just sort of like quite like soft. Like I can sort of just run my scissors through it like that. Yeah, and yeah, this is pretty much, it's kind of a mess here, but you get an idea of what it looks like. So please leave a like, and you can just like tear it apart. It's like not that hard. Well, some like low eye is hard, and we'll see you on the next video. Bye.